Mailshake is one of the tools that I use to send out emails via my G Suite account. There are many similar tools in the market like Mailshake, but since I am using Mailshake, I will explain how Mailshake works. Mailshake is a premium tool and it costs $59 a month. If you look at most of the similar service providers in the market, they are priced around the same range. We will also have a look at the other providers who will help you send out emails from your G Suite account. But in this section of the video, let me explain how Mailshake works. Let me log in into my Mailshake dashboard and let's see what's inside the dashboard and how we set up a campaign. So here you can see that there is a section called campaigns. If I go inside campaigns, I will be able to see all the campaigns. This is one of the campaigns that I have recently set up. Here you can see there are 1000 recipients, 403 emails sent, 29 people replied, and 189 people have opened the email. So this is a campaign that I have set up to ask feedback from my students. So I run a program called the internship program for digital marketing. And instead of just sending out an email from my email marketing tool to them, which kind of looks like a mass email or bulk email, I wanted to send out the email from my Gmail account or my G Suite account so that I get a better open rate and better response. So let's open this campaign and see what's inside. So here you can see that once the campaign is set up, it will also give you a calendar. And one of the differences between traditional email marketing tools and a tool like Mailshake, which sends email via G Suite, is that all the emails will not be sent at the same time. Your G Suite account does not act like an email server to send out bulk emails. If you are sending out emails manually, you are not going to send out all the emails at the same time. You will send out emails as and when possible and it will be spaced out. So that's what Mailshake also does. It configures the email sends in such a way that there is a space between all the emails. So here you can see at 11:43 a.m. 3 emails are scheduled to be sent out and right now it's 11:39 a.m. At 11:48 another 3 emails, at 11:53 another 3 emails, 11:58 another 2 emails, and it is configured in such a way that the emails are being sent throughout the day and all the emails will be sent out only by June 25th and right now it's June 18th. So it is as good as you sending out these emails manually, and that is one of the reasons that these email campaigns are very effective. So here you can see that there are 29 leads in total, which means that 29 people have responded to the emails I have sent. And here you can see the open rate is 47%. Usually you will not get a 47% open rate if you are sending out an email campaign through your email marketing tool. And here you can see 403 emails have been sent and 880 emails are still pending. If people do not reply to the emails within 5 days, I have also set up a sequence where it will send a follow-up email after 5 days. So here you can see this is the sequence and this is the first email and this is the follow-up email. And you can see these are the recipients and it will track the opens and it will track the clicks also. So let's go ahead and look at prospects. So whenever people have replied to my email, it is considered as a prospect. So let's look at 1500 leads are there in total. And let's look at the actual leads that we have. So we have 29 leads and these are the people who have replied. So if I open this, then it says that this is the campaign that has been sent and this is the person who has replied to me. So what I can do is that I can go ahead and delete or unsubscribe this email as well. But now I have got a clear idea of the people who have actually replied to my emails. So if I am reaching out to a bunch of people, only the people who reply to my email can be taken as interested prospects. And I can also add phone numbers of these prospects in the database and I can go and reach out to them using a sales call that I can do. And you can also add these emails to a separate CRM like Pipedrive, which I will explain in the later section of this video. So here you can see the mail accounts that are being configured. So we can see deepak@pixeltrack.com. So here, if you look at the sent mails tab of my G Suite account, you will be able to see all the emails that has been sent from my database. And each and every email is sent out in a personal way. And if you open this particular email, you can see that there are no addresses or unsubscribe button that you usually see with emails that are being sent from bulk email marketing tools. And if you look at this area, you will also be able to see that there is no email server. It directly says that it is mailed by PixelTrack. So G Suite kind of takes the entire responsibility of sending out the emails, and these emails also have a very high probability of landing in the primary inbox. And you know that Gmail, which is pretty much being used by the entire world right now, has separate tabs called promotions and updates. And sometimes what will happen is that the mail that you send will land up in promotions, and people do not usually open the promotions tab because it is taken as an ad. So these are some of the challenges that you will face with traditional email marketing tools and very large databases, but with Mailshake you don't have that problem. So if I want to set up a new campaign, I will go inside campaigns and I will click on add, and here you can see I can title it as June 18th outreach. I can click on next. I can select the contacts. I mean, I can upload a CSV file here, or I can drop a CSV file into this, and then I have to compose the mail, I have to preview it, and then I have to set up the campaign. So these steps are pretty simple, and I'm pretty sure that once you start using it, you will get the hang of it. And that's about it for this tool, Mailshake. And going forward, let's have a look at some of the other options for prospecting and lead generation, and also sending outreach emails.